Hi friends, welcome back to Fatafat English with Abhishek sir. Today in this video I have Anushka with me और आज अनुष्का के साथ मैं बात करने वाला हूँ how English has helped her choose her career and how English has helped her in her studies. इनकी पढ़ाई लिखाई में English ने कैसे help की है. How Anushka has become confident and so fluent in English that she has become an inspiration for a lot of students. So बने रहिए मेरे साथ इस वीडियो में एंड तक और सीख लीजिए कि क्यों इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना चाहिए और इंग्लिश कैसे आपकी लाइफ को चेंज कर सकती है. Hey, my name is Abhishek, an English language trainer training the people for spoken English and developing their personalities through spoken English classes. और यदि आप इस वीडियो को पहली बार देख रहे हैं, चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इसे अभी सब्सक्राइब करने के साथ साथ नोटिफिकेशन बेल को प्रेस करके ऑल पर भी क्लिक कर दीजिए और ऐसे ही मजेदार वीडियोस को देखते रहिए. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So Anushka, give my audience a short introduction.
First of all, I want to thank Abhishek sir for making me so fluent in English. And now let's start with my introduction. I am Anushka Agarwal and I am in class 11th right now. And I belong to Chandausi and I live in Chandausi.
All right. So Anushka, when did you join Abhishek sir's classes for the first time?
I joined these classes I think 4, 5, 6 years ago, and I joined them regularly, and it took me a lot of time to to be fluent in English, and yeah, that's
right. So your schools have also played some role in learning spoken English?
No, my school has not even played any role in making me fluent in English.
Okay, so how do you find the studies now in your school with the help of spoken English?
Now, to understand the topics, to understand the books, it has become so easy for me because I am now fluent in English, so I can read them and I can understand them by myself only.
Right. So how English has developed your personality?
Now I am more confident than before because I can speak English with everyone and in front of everyone. So yeah.
So what do you do to improvise your spoken English vocabulary, grammar? Do you learn grammar as well?
Yeah, I learn grammar, but to be fluent in English, I practice English language and I also speak English language at home and I practice with my friends. Yeah.
All right. So where do you generally speak English?
I generally speak English with my friends and at my home.
All right. So what would you like to say about Abhishek sir?
I just want to thank him for making me fluent in English, and English has helped me a lot to face many problems. Long year before, I couldn't even understand normal words of English and I couldn't even understand the sentences, but now I'm able to understand and also speak them in front of everyone.
So, do you often practice or do you practice sometimes?
I practice sometimes and I also generally speak in English.
Good. Anushka, you're doing very well. What would you like to tell about the classes?
The classes are full of entertainment and you get so many things to learn, and also with English language he is a personality development trainer, and also he tells us about guide us to be to live a good life, to speak English fluently. So yeah, the classes are really very good.
So the classes are interesting or boring?
The classes are really very interesting.
So basically, what have you chosen to be?
I want to be a software engineer. So I have already choose science as a subject.
All right. So, do you read some stuff in English to improvise your vocabulary?
Yeah, I read.
What do you generally read?
I read novels. I watch his videos on YouTube.
So what is the difference between Abhishek sir and other English language trainers?
The main difference between you and other English language trainers is that you make English easier to learn and to speak, but the other English language trainers do not.
All right. So, well, how English has helped you in your school? Like you
I
are a student of English medium, and has it helped you a lot there?
Yeah, it has helped me a lot there. I can now speak in English as I told you, and now I can, understand by myself, and now I can write the answers in my own language very well.
Right. What do the teachers say about you in your school?
My English teacher, my English subject teacher always praises me and always appreciate me because I always speak in English in that period, and also my physics teacher always appreciate me for speaking English.
Right. So, well, do you have an English speaking atmosphere?
No, I don't really have an English language, speaking atmosphere.
A lot of people say that we don't have an English speaking atmosphere at home. So, what would you say about this?
If you want to genuinely learn to speak English, you don't need any atmosphere to speak English. You can just practice by yourself, and you can just speak at your home and with your friends, with your family members, relatives.
So, guys, you've seen that Anushka has been very confident and she's answering everything very confidently. I want you to be as confident as Anushka. So, Anushka, you have answered all the questions in a very nice way. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.